Hi everyone, welcome back. If you do not know, my name is Devon. Here on my channel I cover all things beauty. That includes makeup, fragrance, and designing here and there. If you think that is something you'll be interested in, then I hope you stay and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified every week when I upload. All right, and then for my lip combo of today, we went really simple. The lip liner I am using is by Beauty Vault. It's a very old lip liner. This is in the shade Cozy Kira, and again, y'all know me and my browns. This is pretty much like a reddish brown type of shade, so I lined my lips and then filled in the sides just a little bit, and over top I just have on a gloss today, and I can tell you guys that I'm gonna be obsessed with this gloss for this month. It's an older gloss. This is a MAC lip gloss in the shade See Through. I love me a good nude lipstick, so this lip gloss came in clutch and I love this combo. So yeah, that is my lip combo for the day. And in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I am going to be doing a what fits in my brand new Jacquemus bag that I got for my birthday. So if you guys want to hear my thoughts about this beautiful little bag, and just keep watching, guys. So honestly, I have been wanting a Jacquemus bag for literally 2 years since I wanted to purchase a bag by them. They have the most adorable little mini bags. Like, I'm obsessed with how cute and adorable they are. This particular bag I did purchase from Saks. Saks is normally my go-to for my more higher designer and items, so that is usually where I go. At this very moment, I don't have an essay here in Texas. I used to have an essay in Chicago, and now she actually doesn't work for Saks anymore, so I'm kind of on a hunt for a nice essay out here. So if you guys know anyone or anything like that, I do follow a couple on Instagram, and I have reached out to one particular girl, but we shall see. But anyway, all right, since this bag did not come from the original retailer, it actually came inside of a plastic bag. So it came inside of this little bag, and it had the name of it on it, but it did come with a dust bag, which is actually really nice. Now, this dust bag is a decent quality dust bag. It is very nice. It's very thick and feels pretty durable, and it does have a drawstring on here, which I love that about bags. I love me a good dust bag with a drawstring, because you know, sometimes it's like if you're going out of town, you don't bring the whole box. Now normally I wish it would have came with a box, because I love to keep a lot of my actual purses inside of boxes or shoes, you know, when they're authentic. I like to keep them in their boxes so they don't get dirty, but I do like this bag, so I'm going to be putting her in it when I'm done. Now, I don't know if the full name of this is just Le Bambino, but that is what it says on the tag here. It does not have the price on here. If I can remember the price, the original price, I will pop it on the screen. I don't really know any of the measurements or anything like that. This is 100% cow leather. So yeah, I love that. The bag, you guys, the bag is called, the color is called neon pink, and that is exactly what it is. It is a beautiful neon pink. It does have Jacquemus in the gold detailing. The details are like all gold. Now, I am a silver girl. If you know I am a silver girl. So would I have preferred silver? Absolutely. But maybe possibly in the future I will start doing like mixed metals. I know a lot of women wear mixed metals with the gold and the silver, but yeah, I'm not really into that like that. But yeah, let's go ahead and talk about this little bag. As you can tell, this is definitely a mini bag. This is not your standard average size bag. This is not gonna hold all your essentials or anything like that. This bag for me is literally a going out bag. If I'm going to brunch, if I'm going to dinner, if I'm going to a bar, if I'm going out where I'm keeping minimal things, where it's just me, not my children, this is what I'll be taking. This is going to be perfect summer bag. Like the pink on here, it is so beautiful and it pops so well. This can be a top handle bag where you can just hold it in your hand. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get any mod shots, but if I do, I'll insert them. But this is going to be perfect to just handheld this bag. But it also comes with an adjustable strap, which I love as well. Now this strap, I'm going to have to like bend it because it's been in the bag. It was stuck in the bag, so yeah. All right, so this is what it looks like. It's just not gonna be straight right now because I mean it's been bent up since I got this bag. So I am going to clip it on just so you can kind of see what it looks like if you wanted to wear it crossbody. I definitely could see myself wearing this crossbody, no doubt, in my mind, but I definitely have to get the strap. I have to unbend it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. I'm a short girl, right? And this comes on this is not even, it has 5 adjustable notches on here. This right now is on the 3rd and it's literally sitting right at my hip. So it's kind of like perfect if you want it there. Obviously it's gonna give me a little bit more length if I put it on the very last strap. But if you are a very tall girl, I don't know how this is going to work. Let's go ahead. I'm loose, and I usually take, I'm not gonna lie, I usually will probably bite it and try to pull it out, but I can't do that right now, so we can't see that. But it's not a very long strap. It's really not. Now if you wanted to wear it, you know, just on your shoulder, you definitely can do that. And it's a little bit below my hip, like just a little bit right at my hip, a little bit below it. So this works for me on the 3rd strap. If I wanted a little bit longer, I can put it on like this one down here, but again, I'm not gonna finagle with this because I literally just opened this up. But yeah, so I just left the tag on here for now. I will take it off, you know, eventually. It does have a back pocket, but this is not, ain't nothing fitting in here. Nothing is fitting in here but maybe a stick of gum, maybe your ID or credit card or something like that. But now I'm not really familiar with like cow leather. I'm assuming it's going to eventually stretch out, right? I'm not familiar with this type of, you know, material, but I'm assuming that eventually it'll stretch and give it a little give on the bag. But it is very tight. So yeah, we're gonna open it up. It is just a small open hole. It does have the Jacquemus logo in here, right here on this little tag. I am going to put what I would put in my bag if I was going out. Okay, so normally if I'm going out, I take hand sanitizer. I probably would just, I don't know if I'm going to clip that on there because that's kind of big, but you could just clip this on here. Matter of fact, let me throw it in here. But yeah, you can do that if you want to. I don't know if that would be obnoxious for a lot of people. I don't know how I feel about it looking like that, so I'm going to go ahead and take that off. And then I'm just going to take the hand sanitizer out and just pop it inside of my bag. Okay, so we're gonna just go ahead and take her out and put her in the corner. And I'm hoping that it will stretch out a little bit more the more I wear her, the more I maneuver her, because that's a tight feel. Now I do have my card case that I carry everywhere, but I think that is going to be too tall to fit in here. Yeah, I feel like this is just not gonna sit in here right. Like, yeah, it's not giving clothes, so I can't sit that in here. So what I would do is probably just take my ID and or my card, whatever I'm going to use, and pop it in there, and then, you know, if it's perfect. So yeah, we'll have that. What else could we put in here? I usually have tissues in my bag, so I'm definitely going to pop some tissues in here. I'm going to put the tiniest little hand cream in here. I'm going to put my lip combo in here. So I have my lip liner and my lip gloss, and that fits in there perfectly with no problem. Let's see, what else could we put in here? I normally will put my blotting sheets in here, but I can't find them, but those will fit perfectly in here. Now if you have just a key fob, like one actual key fob, that might fit in here. But as far as putting a lot of keys in here, that is not gonna work. Cash in here. I'm gonna keep my eyeglass wipes in here. I'm gonna keep a penny liner in here. And yeah, that's practically it. Like, that's it, you guys. Like, this bag is so damn tiny. Even though it's a bag that you can't fit like a whole lot of stuff in, it's a very cute, very trendy bag. You can fit your basic needs in here: credit cards, ID, cash, lip gloss, hand sanitizer, all your basic stuff you can definitely fit in here. And this is okay because this is going to, you know, kind of be like what would fit in my Joni bag if I ever get that bag. I feel like it's really tiny as well, so you know, you're gonna only be able to fit the essentials in here. Then as far as this back pocket, you can actually probably put your ID in here. I did slide a Bath and Body Works gift card in here that I have, so you can definitely slide your ID in there instead of putting it in here and taking up space. Let's see, I wonder if I can get more than one card in here. I have a Target gift card in here as well, so we're gonna slide this in here. Yeah, you could slide that in there, so you could at least get 2, maybe 3 cards in this back pocket, and that would still, you know, leave room for the inside. But for it to have what it has in here, it's not overly stuffed. Like, I still have a little bit of room in there, but I wouldn't put too much more than, you know, exactly what this is in there. So yeah, guys, that is it. That is everything that fits in my Jacquemus bag. I'm very, very excited to be exploring the house of Jacquemus because I have been wanting something from them for a very long time. So I'm really happy about this bag. I think it's absolutely beautiful. Now my thing is, do I need 2 bags that look like this? Because the Coach bag looks very, very similar to that, to this color, and it also has gold. So it's kind of like, do you need both? But I honestly love this little bag, and I cannot wait to wear her out. But if I'm being honest, I probably won't be wearing her anytime soon. I probably won't be breaking her out until like May or something. I don't know. You know what, me and my best friend do plan on going, hopefully plan on going to the rodeo this year, so maybe this could be something that I take, because I know when I go to the rodeo I don't want to have a lot of things with me, so maybe this would suffice. That is it. That is all on my little take on this brand new bag. I am interested to know if any of you guys have any Jacquemus bags, or are you interested in them? I know I have been looking at bags reviews on them for a very, very long time, so I'm just happy to, you know, finally be in the club. And if it's a bag that I really love, I probably would search for, you know, different colors of these bags. But yeah, they do have another bag that I kind of got my eye on, but I don't know that I need that anytime soon. But yeah, this is a beautiful bag, and it's going to be a staple for spring and summer. So yeah, you guys, that is it. That is my little first impressions, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in another video. Bye, guys.